Ari, and today I am back with another video. And today I'm really excited because I've had my channel for over a year, and this video is going to be the first time I'm doing a collaboration with anybody. So for today's video, I partnered up with VNYL. They are a monthly subscription service for vinyl records. If you subscribe to their service, you pay like, I think it's $30 or $39 a month, and they send you 3 vinyl records every month. And you get to pick one of them, and then they like pick for you the other 2. And when you go on their website, you get to fill out your whole info, your account, and you get to pick like all of your favorite genres, albums that you like, albums that you've been looking for in case they can find them for you. They contacted me, and I'd never heard of any subscription service like this before, so I was really excited. So what they sent me was a box of vinyl records, and I've been waiting to open it with you guys. So look, it came in a pink box. I thought that was the coolest thing ever. Let's see, how do you open this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's Miles Davis! Okay, they put a card in here. What's up, Ari? So excited to get you this box. Got some familiar faces and fresh finds, so let's do this thing. First, here's some Midwest punk from Well Wisher. This group's very 90s influenced, and since you like Paramore, I think it's right up your alley. Next up, the critically acclaimed, spectacular album, Heaven of Las Vegas, from the eccentric Cocteau Twins. I think you'll appreciate their strangeness. Finally, here's one of America's finest trumpeters, Miles Davis. Have fun with these ones. Enjoy, Reagan. That was so nice. What I did was I went out, I filled out my profile and I put all the music that I liked. So they obviously saw that I like jazz, that I like avant-garde kind of music, like unique kind of things. So oh my gosh. On to the listening portion of this video. Let me get my record player all ready. Heaven of Las Vegas by the eccentric Cocteau Twins. Let me see. Yeah, it probably would have been a good idea to bring scissors. Let's see. It has a digital download. Okay, that's really exciting. It's always a plus when albums come with a digital download. This is from 1990. Okay, cool. Okay, so this is side B, this is side A. This is cherry color. I can hear the 90s in it. I can really hear it. They have really good vocals. I like this. That was really good. Verdict. This album is so good, actually. From what I've heard so far. I've never heard of these girls. I've never heard of them. So this album is from 1990. Yeah, it has that 90s sound. Their vocals are so beautiful. Like, dude, that is the cool thing about this, because you get to discover new artists. If I had to give it a grade, 8 out of 10. It's really good. Next up, here's some Midwest punk from Well Wisher. This group's very 90s influenced, and since you like Paramore, I think it's right up your alley. Yes, I love Paramore. I like the cover. It's like a Barbie burning up. Inside's orange. I'm a sucker for bright colors. Let's take a look at the vinyl. Holy crap. That's like the prettiest vinyl I've ever seen. Okay, side A. Sounds a lot like Paramore's self-titled album. I hear like part 2 influences. Okay, so verdict. This was a really good, solid pop punk album. Like it was really good. The lyrics are very classic, like drama, conflict-full lyrics, which I really like. I don't know, it's like the colors and packaging also make a part of like the music experience, like the vinyl experience, you know? Last, but definitely not least, Kind of Blue, the best-selling jazz album of all time. John Coltrane's on it. John Coltrane? Okay, can we just take a moment to appreciate the fact that they put in a record, a Miles Davis record. Very sophisticated, red. Okay guys, this album I had never heard before. I'm so happy I got this. Like my face lit up. Like I'm just so... This box was so cool. Okay you guys, this was so amazing. So yeah, this was kind of my little vinyl haul review, so to speak. And I know that some of you love music as well. I love vinyl, I love music and discovering unique artists and sounds. So this was right up my alley. I loved it. Thank you guys for watching. This was kind of a special video and I was so excited to make it. This is my first collaboration with any brand or anyone, so this was really exciting. Thank you so much for watching my videos and commenting, and it means a lot to me. Bye!